Hi everyone, I'm CamT. Today I will show you how to make my version of the fortune teller. I call it the Ninja Star fortune teller because these look like Ninja Star points. So I will show you how to fold it. However, it is pretty hard, so you have to be pretty experienced again to do it. And here's how to fold it. First off, we're going to turn over. And then we're going to valley fold in half. By the way, this is going to be one of my longer videos. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. Now, unfold, take this edge and fold it to this crease. Same on this side. Then you want to take this edge, fold it to this crease. By the way, we're making a pinwheel base. Rotate, do the same thing. Adjust a few things. My neighbor is doing some renovation, so yeah. Then take and then valley fold in half diagonally. Unfold just at the top, so like these are folded down. And then rotate and repeat. Sorry about that again. And unfold. Right. Now, like usual, petal base, you pull out the side like that, and then pull out the other one. I'm just gonna do it this way, just to make it look pretty, and then do it this way as well, and then this one. Like that. So here's your average pinwheel base. Now I'm going to squash the pinwheel base. So we fold this both ways, open, and then we squash it on these two creases. And then do the same with all the four sides. There's going to be a lot of repeating 4 times, so I might just do this fast. Oh yeah, and you don't have to fold both ways. Just open and then squash like that. And then the last one, just like that. So now, I think it's called a coaster base is what we have right now. So yeah, and now, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So we're gonna make a petal base. So we're gonna fold this edge to this edge. And this edge to this edge. And fold this down. And unfold everything. And then open this flap and valley fold it on this. So here we have a boat, and we're going to sink the walls of the boat onto this middle crease. Like this. Here's one, and wait for it, there's 2. So now, sorry about that, so we're going to do that on all 4 sides. So I'll do this really quick. I'll do this second one, and then I'll fast forward the rest. I'll get to you after that. Okay, so I've done all the 4 sides, and this base I think is used for snowflakes. I've seen them in some books, this base, they've used it for snowflakes, so yeah. So now what you want to do is turn over, and you see all these flaps, and we're gonna reverse sink them in. No, wait, not reverse sink, sorry, just sink them in. So, valley fold. And then, this is kind of tricky. I'm going to unfold right here. And then, looking inside, you're going to push this. And same on the other side. Here too. And then you just want to sink it in like you're doing a water bomb base. And squash. Okay, I know that was kind of tricky, so I'll do it again. So you open, here, I'll show you what I'm doing again. So open, and then you push the corners in, and that one too. So you should see a square. And then, so yeah, you're gonna make a valley fold on these two lines. So it's, like I said, sort of like making a water bomb base backwards. And then, oh, didn't go on this side, so just fix it a little bit. There we go. Okay, I'll do the rest without talking. Just, do it. Okay, let me zoom out. Okay, got right this time. Okay, so now this kind of looks cool. It's like a button. It's like a, like on Family Feud, how you press the button. So what you want to do, zoom in again. Kind of zoomed out. So what you want to do is you fold it up so that this line reaches this line. Sorry if you can't see it very well, but it's that line. And same on this side. Sort of like that. And then you fold down on this crease. It's already there. And then, once again, repeat it 4 times. I know, this is very repetitive, but I'm sorry, but it's pretty much the only way to do it without, repetitive stuff. So, believe it or not, we are almost done. So, you probably won't believe it right now, but when you turn it over, you'll see it. See? You can see these are the 4 little holes right here that you put your finger in, and you can go like this. So, what you're going to do is you fold in half. This is just like a normal fortune teller. And you do this. I'm going to do it a bit differently though. So I'm going to make a square base. So these creases are already formed. So you want to put them into the middle and squash like that. And we're almost done. We're at the last step. You just need to pull these sides out like that. And then you open it up, and you see it's the fortune teller. Alright guys, I hope you could learn that. That was a bit tricky. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.